Hello there. Welcome to my channel. Today let's make something fun, easy and simple, okay? We're gonna make a helicopter or a chopper, okay? Note that I'm gonna use a low poly and it's gonna be very easy and it actually, well, it's not a professional look, but it's a good start for beginner, okay? Let's delete the light and the camera. And this one I'm gonna enable the mirror. I'll do the auto mirror here. Let's see it's mirrored. Yes, it's mirrored. Very good. And I'm gonna go to object mode. I'm gonna press Control 1, and that should look low poly. Okay, if you want it even low poly, increase it to 2, which is completely up to you. How you want it, it's up to you. Okay, I'm gonna go with 1. So that's gonna be the body, and let's make the what you call it, the back of here, the tail. Okay, you can just go here. Let's 3. You can just duplicate this actually, but I prefer use other objects because they are different parts. Now I'm gonna go again, control 1. Same technique like this before. And let's scale it to the y-axis. I'm not gonna make it, a long one. I'm gonna make it like tiny one, chibi. I'm gonna scale that because I found that yeah, I'm just gonna scale it. I found that it's too big. There. Don't worry about this one because go in edit mode. It should cover like this, okay? Make it small like that. Small tail. And scale. That's it. Oh, let's press I to insert, or you can just add another loop cut. Make it something like that. Yeah, okay. Oh, okay. That would do. And let's make the what you call the round over there. You can use the torus. Don't rotate it yet because you need to adjust this one. I'm gonna go with maybe 6. And for the minus segment, I'm gonna go with 7. Okay. You can actually use any number you like. Okay. And rotate that to the what's it to the Y? Yes, to the Y. Let's scale. Grab over there. Bring it over there. Let's raise it up a little bit. Okay. Let's make it a little bit fat. Scale to the x-axis. And it should look fat like that. Okay. Now you got something like that. Let's make the blade. Let's make the blade later. Let's make the, what do you call that? For the upper blade, I think like it's that way. Shift D to duplicate. Rotate X 90 degree. Wrap it over there. Scale it down. Something like that. Set in the middle. Scale shifted. Okay, now it's a little bit thick. Scale it set again. Now it's got something like that. And let's extrude this. If you want, you can just extrude it with the blade. Okay. Let's extrude it again. Extrude scale. I'm going to extrude it again. This is it. And I'm going to press I again. Okay. Something looks like it, but that's not how I want it. So I'm going to control Z, all of them. I'm just going to leave it like that. Okay, now let's make the what do you call that? The blade. Okay, let's add a plane. Add a plane. Rotate X. Rotate to the Y actually. 90 degree. X would do too. I'm gonna scale, and I'm gonna scale over there. Let's add another loop cut. This one, I'm gonna scale it to the Y because we on the Y axis now. If you can see, over there, we on the Y axis. Yep, on the Y axis, that is right. It is rotate that over there, and this one rotate at the opposite side. Okay, got something like that. If you want, you can add a few more cuts. Rotate it and make it a little bit like curvy or something. that one. Again, I mean, let's add another one. Let's just rotate this a little bit. And this one as well. Rotate just a little bit. Make it something like wing shape there. Yep, we got that right. I'm gonna press 3. Grab that over here because we're gonna make this one later. Scale. Grab that. That. Scale up. No, we don't need to scale anymore. Okay, now first let's make the what do you call it over here to connect this one. Okay, I'm gonna use the tail again. Shift Z to duplicate. Scale it down. Grab it over here. Scale. Grab that over there. I mean, scale it to the Y. Make it a little bit longer, but something like that. Okay. What? Just bring that a little bit to the X. Okay. Get something like that. I'm gonna press 3. Scale it a little bit. Grab. Oh, grab there. And I'm gonna make it in the middle. Something like that. But wait, we're not complete yet. Let's actually I should add this before. Add what do you call to hold this one. Can use this one again, but I'm gonna use something else. I'm gonna use this one, the cube. Scale, grab that to the Y. Scale again, grab that to the Y. Scale, scale it to the Y. Make it longer. Get over there. Okay. Scale it again. Grab that to the Y. Yes, to the Y. Let's add some subdivision on it. Control 1 to add subdivision. Scale it to the Y, I mean to the X. And let's go to edit mode and go to here. Add this one, okay? Don't need to add that to back. Okay, now let's go here. Grab that. It's okay if it's overlapping, as long as it's on the middle. A little bit. Oh. Okay, I think that looks good. Does looks good, but I don't know. But it does. Okay, it's a low poly. Okay, I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go to what do you right view again. Duplicate this blade to make this one. Okay, most of these are the same technique. Okay, so it should be okay for you. Oh, so I'm gonna rotate that to the Y 90 degree. Let's scale, scale, Shift Z. Okay, that's how the blade looks like. Scale, Shift Z again. I'm gonna make it a little bit bigger, something like that. Scale to the X. Okay, let me see. Got something that we want. Maybe that's how I want. I don't know how you want, but it's all complete. It's all completely up to you. Okay, how you want it, your model, your style. You don't have to be so precise about it. Okay, now it's chop. We have 2 blades, right? So I'm gonna grab the done. Shift D again to duplicate, and I'm gonna rotate this a little bit. Okay, got something like that. I don't know how many blade chop I have, but mostly I saw one, but I think there's some of them I have 2, maybe 3, maybe 4. Well, okay, so that's how I make the blade. And now for the Shift C to make that thing center again. Let's add the what do you call the leg. Again, still the same. You can duplicate this one. Go over there again. For me, I'm just gonna let's just duplicate it. But I'm not gonna do that. Delete. Let's add another cube. Scale. Grab. Scale it over there. Grab that to the y-axis. Grab it up. Oh, and make sure this is gonna be over here. Over here. I'm gonna put it over here. Press 3. Grab that to the y. The leg is quite big, but yeah, scale shifted, make it smaller. Okay, now for this one, go to face select, press 3, grab that to the Y. Something like that. And let's press 1, grab that to the X. Make it a spread, okay? And now let's mirror this all. For the mirror, oh, yeah, there you go. Mirror this one, okay? And let's mirror it again for the back. Mirror at the this one, not this one, okay? Mirror this one at the back. Is it to the Y? Yes, it's to the Y. Okay, got something like that. Now let's add, what do you call it? The base plate, base something. I'm gonna use the cube, but I'm gonna use plane, and I'm gonna use solidify later. Scale it to the X. Press 1. Scale it to the X. Grab. Okay. Now let's add a loop cut. Scale to the there. Add to the edge. Grab that here. Okay. That looks good. Scale it to the X. Get something like that. I think that kind of look like chopperish. What do you call? What do you call at the bottom there? Well, I don't know. Let's add a solidify on it. Just a little bit. You don't have to be that thick or something. Okay. We have problems. Okay. I don't think we have. But maybe we have, but I don't see it. I'm just gonna apply it. Control A to apply the solidify. And let's mirror this to this one. There you have it, guys. A simple chopper, and it's good for starting point to make a chopper. And now let's shade all of them. Let's shade the body first. Oh, first thing we forgot is the door. Okay. In this one, I'm gonna apply the mirror. Oh, the mirror first. Control A to apply. And this subdivision, I'm gonna apply it now. Let's make the door. Oh, I'm gonna press that one. This is gonna be the door. It's up to you. You want it to be here, you want it to be whatever the door is. I don't know where the door, but yeah. And press insert, press I to insert. Over there. Extrude that to the X axis. Go in, insert it again, and extrude it to the X to go out. Okay. And that's gonna be the door. Let's make the handle. Use a plane. You can use anything you like, guys. Anything you like. I'm gonna use the plane now for now. Oh, wait, I'm gonna rotate that to the Y. Press 1. Grab it over there. Scale. There. I'm gonna press 3 now. Scale. It's a little bit over there. That's gonna be the door. Grab that to the X. Now let's make this. Oh, grab that to the X. Let's make this to attach this one. Okay. You can use the shrink wrap. Okay. I'm gonna use these. Where is it? The shrink wrap. There you are. And select what the object you want to connect with. Okay. I'm gonna use the cube. And there it is. It's connected. Don't worry about that one because Solidify solve the issue. Where is it? There you are. Oh, before we go to Solidify, make sure you apply this one first, the shrink wrap. Now let's see if it's working. Make it offset a little bit, something like that. Yeah. Control A to apply. And let's add the Solidify. Increase the thickness until got something like that. Got it covered. see. I'm gonna zoom. Oh, that's way too much. Okay. I count 1, 2, 3, 4, and it stops there. Okay. Control A to apply. And there you have it. Almost complete, but yeah, the fun chop. Now let's shade this. I'm gonna the body first. Wait, we use the body later. Let's go to this one. Starting from the up or bottom, but you know what? Let's just go to the body first. Okay. Now for the body, I'm gonna go something like matte. With blue. I'm gonna make this thing metal because it's a metal chopper. Okay, the specular. Don't need much, but I don't need the roughness. Don't make the roughness too much. There. Oh, I'm gonna. Yeah, that's gonna be the what do you call it? The body. I don't think blue is fit because the window. I'm gonna. Go with red, dark red, red, gold. Yeah, that one. That would do. And let's go to here. Make sure in face select. Select this face over here. Select it over here. And this one. Also this one, I believe. This one. This is gonna be the glass. So I'm gonna pick glossy, maybe glass. I think I'm gonna pick glossy. This one, assign them. Okay, that's a cartoon shape over there. Now let's. What do you want to use with it? I don't think I'm gonna add anything since I'm gonna make it simple. I'm gonna use blue, and I'm gonna decrease the roughness and up the specular because this is a glass stuff. Okay, you got something like that. And for the handle, if you want it red, then paint it red. But I'm gonna go with black. There, there. Okay, got something like that. And for this one, I'm gonna use the color same as the body. Okay, go to here. You don't have to add another slot. Just go to here. Browse. Okay, link to the material. Let's link it to get all. Just select you. Select this one, this. Also did that one over there. For the leg, it's gonna be different. And let's select this one. Make sure this one is highlighted. What do you call it? Orange. Okay. Control L. Link the and this one. Make sure this one. Okay. Control L. Object to the material. Should be the red. Okay. And there we have it. Should be the red. Make sure you know what slot you are. Okay. If you choose this one, which means it's gonna connect that one. Okay. The what do you call the mirror stuff? Mirror. Mirror glass. Glasses. And let's make the blade with black. A little bit black but shiny. Over there, it's metal, so it's metal. It's specular grease. I don't want it to be that way. We'll go like that. And let's use same as well, like before. But let's go to just here because we only want two only. Okay, and this one, go to that one. Okay. And now for this one, I'm gonna go with different material. There, metallic, it's metal. So yeah, just increase it to 1. Specular, well, we don't need more specular, but I don't need the roughness much. Oh, okay. Specular over there, just a little bit. And this one, if you want it to be same color, well, it's completely up to you. I'm gonna go with something different color this time. Go with yellow. Yeah, yellow. Yellow would do. I don't need to be metal underneath specular, and I don't need the roughness. that quite 100% a cartoonish shape there. Okay, so that's how you make a simple low poly model of a chopper, okay? Which is good for beginner to start with. Starting with the hard stuff, it's gonna make you quit easier. So it's better if you just start with something simple first, then slowly increase the difficulties. Okay? Oh, did I forgot something? Oh, I forgot that one. This one's gonna be the red. Okay, there we go. So that's how I make my model there. So go ahead and try it yourself. Make anything you want, okay? Anything would do. Your style, your way, your liking. I mean, it's all yours. Okay? So that's all for today. And I'll see you next time on the next tutorial. Okay now? Bye. Sorry if this is a little bit too long. Yeah. Okay now. Bye now.